Ready to elevate your runs and crush your fitness goals? The Garmin Forerunner 55 is here to transform your training. This GPS running watch is packed with features designed for every athlete. Track your distance, pace, and location with built-in GPS. Monitor your heart rate right from your wrist, giving you crucial insights into your effort. It's all about accurate data to fuel your progress. Say goodbye to guesswork. Get daily suggested workouts tailored to your training history and fitness level. Utilize Pace Pro for GPS-based pace guidance and predict your race times. Train smarter, not just harder. This watch isn't just for running. Explore activity profiles for cycling, pool swimming, HIIT, Pilates, and more. Advanced wellness features like intensity minutes and all-day respiration keep you in tune with your body. Enjoy up to 2 weeks of battery life in smartwatch mode or 20 hours with GPS. Users rave about its accuracy, solid build, and incredible ease of use. It's a fantastic value, perfect for beginners and seasoned runners alike. Don't just run, thrive. The Garmin Forerunner 55 is your essential tool for smarter training and better health. Tap the link in our bio to learn more and grab yours today. Start your journey to a stronger, faster you.